Guruji's blessings. There was an orphan boy who was a polio victim, and his name was Raghu. He was begging for living and helping others. One day, a boy was walking through the forest in the rain. Due to polio, he couldn't walk and he fell down. There was a Guruji passing by. He saw the boy and tried to wake him up. Guruji spoke to himself. The boy is unconscious due to high fever. Guruji picked the boy and took him to the ashram and let him stay in one of the rooms. Who are you? Where were you going? I am an orphan. I beg for living. I feel pity on your situation. You have a chance to become rich. I will give you a boon. With the help of it, you can find out any lost thing, animal or human. And if someone cheats others, it will come to your notice secretly. In this community, so many people are facing this problem. You can help them from your boon and earn money from it. I am very thankful to you. I will never forget the needful which you have done to me. I will stop begging. You must take only which people offers you. You must not get greedy and ask for more money. Come close to me. Let me tell the mantra in your ears. After getting the boon, Raghu went to some village nearby and met the head of the village who was sitting in the panchayat with other villagers. And at the same time, a person named Shankar rushed towards the village head and started speaking.
Sir, 2 of my cattle are missing from past 2 days. I searched them everywhere, but I could not find them. Can you please help me to find my cattle?
Someone would have taken your cattle. Let me inquire about it. No one has taken your cattle. When he was sleeping under the tree, his cattle went with other cattle which belongs to the next village. Who are you? How can you tell that? A guy from the neighboring village came to the spot.
Sir, 2 cattle were found with our cows. We waited for few days for the owner, but no one came. My boss has sent me here to ask if someone has lost their cattle in your village.
Shankar, your cattle are found. Go with him and bring them. After Shankar left, village head asked Raghu. Who are you? What is your name? My name is Raghu. I am an orphan. You please come with me. Raghu went along with the village head and told everything about his boon to him. The village head kept Raghu in his hideout secretly. You must stay in my house. I will provide you clothes, food and money. But you need to do as I say. You must help me to solve others' problems. The village head hid Raghu in his hideout. With the help of Raghu, the village head started to help people by solving all their problems, by charging them a huge cost. His news spread all over the village, and soon he became a man with superpowers in front of the villagers. He ended up with many lakhs of rupees. His servant noticed everything quietly. Servant spoke to himself.
Our village head is making everyone wait outside for few minutes, and he goes inside the house and comes out with solutions. Looks like he's hiding something inside.
One day, while village head was sitting on the chair, a guy named Giri came there with a silk pouch in his hand. And the servant was standing next to the village head. Who are you? How can I help you?
My name is Giri. One of my friend had cheated me financially.
How did he cheat you?
Last week, I went out with my family. So I kept the money in the bag and sealed it and gave it to my friend to take care of it. But when I came back and opened the bag, it was filled with white papers. My whole life earnings, 20 lakh rupees, were inside. And now, I don't have anything. Please help me to get justice.
Did you check properly what was inside before taking it back?
Yes, the bag was in same condition. The seal is also not opened.
If you give me 2 lakh rupees, then I will tell you to get justice.
Okay, I agree.
You wait here for 2 minutes. I will come back. The village head went inside the house and the servant followed him. The door was closed. Servant peeped inside through a hole. Village head started asking Raghu through hand signals. Raghu was answering through signals as well, and the servant watched all this quietly. servant spoke to himself.
Oh, Raghu is providing the solution for the problems, and the village head is looting people's money with the help of him. Let me teach him a very good lesson.
Servant came out and stood next to the chair. The village head came back and sat on the chair.
Sir, Amar is here on the same street.
Servant spoke to Amar.
Please come. Our village head is calling you.
Giri, call your friend who cheated you. When Giri left the place, Amar entered. Hey, did you stitch any silk pouch recently for anyone? Amar stumbled to speak. Village head asked him in a higher tone. Tell me, if not, you will all have to face punishment.
Yes, sir. Please forgive me for my mistake. Giri's friend Rohit approached me and bribed me to open the silk pouch without anyone getting any doubt, and to take out all the money and keep white papers inside it instead.
Rohit, along with his friend Giri, reached the house of the village head. Rohit, you have cheated your friend for 20 lakhs. Amar is the witness for that, and he is standing in front of you. Will you agree with your mistake, or should I need to call the police?
Sir, in greed I cheated my friend. Please forgive me, sir.
Okay, if this needs to go out, then our village name will be spoiled. So Rohit, you give him 20 lakh rupees and additional 2 lakh rupees for me.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Giri, please go with Rohit and take your money back and give me my share as well, as promised. Amar, Rohit and Giri left the place. Servant spoke to himself.
Today I need to teach a lesson for our village head.
At evening, a police inspector came to meet the village head. Oh, sir, what a surprise. Please come in and have a seat.
I did not come here to sit. We have a complaint on you that in the name of astrology, you're looting people's money and you have hidden a guy who is helping you to solve the problems of people.
Sir, how do you know about it?
You can't cheat people for a long time. Other heads from village had complaint on you. Who is that guy helping you? Call him out.
His name is Raghu. Voluntarily he came to me. I identified his hidden talent and kept him with me, but taking very good care of him. You can ask him by yourself. Village head called Raghu out of the hideout, and inspector asked Raghu,
Kid, who are you? What's your name? And where are you from?
Sir, I am orphan. A Guruji saw my situation and gave me a boon of solving people's problem. But he had told me that I must take the offering from people only if they wish to. I must not demand anything from people.
But kid, look at the village head. He's misusing your power and looting the people's money.
Inspector said to the village head,
You have to build a house for this boy, and if possible, get his marriage done. And whatever you earned because of his boon, you have to give him back. And in future, always share the earnings. This will be your punishment. And if you fail to do it, then I may have to take a legal action against you.
Okay, sir. I will do as you say. Sir, I am physically handicapped orphan. Who will marry me? So, I will use the power to help the society and lead my life by offerings which people give to me. I just need a shelter to stay. I will donate my excess earnings to old age house and orphan house. Well done. This is called simplicity. I lost in front of you. From now on, all your responsibilities are mine. I will do whatever you say. I will take care of your house, marriage, and other things. You can donate your income to anyone you wish.
Very good. This shows that humanity still exists in the village.
Village head hugged Raghu. People who do good to others will always get good things in life. No one can cheat or fraud for a long time. If we try to cheat others, one or the other day, we will be cheated by others and need to face the society. This is the moral of the story. To watch more videos, subscribe to our channel Chikki TV.